Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a simple program using PHP as our programming language to reverse a string. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, click the bell button for notification, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. I'm here with my text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code, and then the first thing that we will do is to write the PHP starting tag less than question mark in PHP, and then we have here a string. Let's say for example title, welcome to PHP programming. And then we can have here header 1, and we have here the use of a built-in function strrev for reverse, and then we will call dollar title, and then we close slash header 1 double quotation semicolon. We close the script tag of PHP. After we have done, the next step that we will do is to save our work. We can save our work in the Visual Studio Code by simply pressing the Ctrl S, select the programming language. In this case, we are using PHP. In our local disk, we go to our SAMP folder, go to htdocs, right click, select new folder. Let's say for example the title of our folder will be reverse. Double click, and then we type index.php. Click the save button. Okay, to check, I'm using Opera. You can use guys other web browser, Opera, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. We type localhost slash reverse the folder slash index.php. Okay, there is string dollar if okay, wait. There's a mistake in my code. I have to check and fix. Okay, let us check again. We go to our browser and then we just refresh. Okay, so we have it, no? So the word welcome to PHP programming, when it is reversed, this will be the output. Now if we want to have some additional features or make our work visible, we can simply add this one on our code, this command $title. Let's say for example original string And then we have here the second line. We can have reverse string. Save. Let's go back to our browser. We simply refresh. Okay, so we have the result that we are wanted. So the original string is welcome to PHP programming. The reverse string is, that's it, no, it is being reversed, no. So PHP as a programming language, it was designed primarily for the web. There are so many built-in functions that make programming much easier. So we have already done writing our program, very simple program, how to reverse a string using PHP as our programming language. If you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.